My name is Cecily Burleson, and I'm a licensed medical esthetician at Auri Aesthetics, and I have been practicing aesthetics for 19 plus years. I was 5 years old when I started. Exactly. I love aesthetics because I can create such a positive change, not only externally, but internally. When I treat my patients, I don't treat just a spot or a breakout or a wrinkle. I create healthy skin, and when you create healthy skin, everything else falls into place. You've got to have the best of the best. Technology is constantly changing, and hydrofacial is one of those treatments that's great for everyone. It's great for exfoliating the surface of the skin. It leaves you incredibly hydrated. We can infuse serums into the surface of the skin for addressing certain conditions. It's great for everyone. Medical grade skincare and my approach to treating, I'm a very result-driven esthetician. I like to see results quickly, and my patients tend to see healthy, glowing change in their skin at least within 2 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks. I've been in the business for 20 years. I've tried every product known to man, and Zio by far creates the best results. Creating healthy skin is goals.